Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a case in which the question before the tribunal was that if an amount is received by a non-resident for providing the various database to the various customers without giving them any copyright and without giving them the ownership of that data, so whether in that circumstances the subscription received in lieu of providing this database can be termed as royalty or not. This issue has been taken in the case of American Chemical Society versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax International Taxation, and this case has been reported in 111 ITR Tribunal Short Notes 38. The matter has been decided by Mumbai ITAT I bench and the date of the judgment is 27th March 2024. The facts of the case are like this. In this case, the assessee is a non-resident. The assessee is a corporation which is based in USA to promote and support development and knowledge in the field of chemistry. The customers of the assessee are various organizations and individuals in the field of chemical, education, institutes and various research organizations. These customers are using the database of the assessee and they are providing the subscription fees to the assessee. During the assessment proceedings, the learned assessing officer was of the view that this subscription fees is in the form of royalty, and he referred this matter to the DRP, and the DRP also said that this amount is royalty, but the assessee's objections were that in the previous years the tribunal itself has admitted that this amount is not royalty, this amount is a business income, but since the assessee do not have any permanent establishment in India, so it cannot be taxed as business income in India, and it is not royalty because the assessee is not providing any copyright and the assessee is not providing any ownership of the various data to the customers. But the dispute resolution panel declined to entertain the submissions of the assessee on the ground that although the tribunal has given in favor of the assessee, but since the revenue has challenged these orders to the High Court, so the submissions of the assessee cannot be entertained. So the DRP said that the amount received as subscription by the assessee is royalty. So the assessing officer do not have any option other than to add back this amount into the income of the assessee as royalty. When the assessee carried this matter to the tribunal said that this is a recurring issue which has been decided by the tribunal in the favor of the assessee in the various assessment years. So, following the concept of consistency and apart from that on the merit also, since the subscription amount which is received by the assessee cannot be termed as royalty as per section 9 subsection 1 clause 6, and in the present case the assessee do not have the permanent establishment in India, so it cannot be taxed as business income also. So the tribunal held in favor of the assessee by following its earlier decisions in the case of the assessee for the various assessment years. Friends, from this case it is very clear that CIT appeals and even the assessing officers, and now from this case it is very clear even the dispute resolution panel which is headed by the officers of the rank of Commissioner of Income Tax do not follow the judicial discipline which has been given by various high courts, various tribunals. Due to this, the assessee has to face the repeated litigation in its cases. In my view, if any issue has been settled in favor of the assessee by the tribunals, at least in those cases, the income tax officers, the dispute resolution panel and the CIT appeal should follow those decisions and respect those decisions. By doing so, a lot of litigation can be reduced and only the healthy cases where the time of the various courts is required can be adjudicated. But friends, this is very unfortunate that our officers even the DRP and even the CIT appeals do not follow any judicial decorum which has been placed on record by various courts, whether it is tribunal, whether it is high courts, and even in some cases the judgments of the Supreme Court are also not followed. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is American Chemical Society versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, International Taxation, and the case has been reported in 111 ITR Tribunal at short notes 38, and the date of the judgment is 27th March 2024. Thank you, friends.